क्लास 10th का एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जिसके क्वेश्चन दिखने में तो बहुत टफ लगते हैं, जब करने बैठो तो वो बहुत इजी लगते हैं. One of the chapter of the class 10 whose questions are seem to be very tough, but once you begin you will find the very easy. That is the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers having same difference between consecutive terms. Arithmetic progression जिसको शॉर्ट में हम AP बोलते हैं, ऐसी सीरीज जिसके consecutive terms में difference same हो. जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल बना के रखे हैं 16, 22, 28, 34 एंड सो ऑन. इनमें डिफरेंस आप देखिए. डिफरेंस हम कैसे देखेंगे? आगे की टर्म माइनस पीछे की टर्म. सी 22 माइनस 16 इट इज 6. 28 माइनस 22 6. 34 माइनस 28 इट इज 6. तो मीन्स कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है? 6. तो उसको हम D से डिनोट करते हैं. कॉमन डिफरेंस इन दिस सीरीज इज 6. एंड फर्स्ट टर्म को हम डिनोट करते हैं A से. A is equal to 16. Now इसमें देखिए नेक्स्ट सीरीज में it is decreasing, so means difference between 850 and 1000. तो हम क्या करेंगे? जो सक्सेसिव टर्म है उसको पिछली टर्म से माइनस करेंगे. so it will be minus 150. 700 minus 850 it is also minus 150. so common difference D is minus 150. first term A is 1000. now next term देखिए all terms are same, so the common difference is 0. so common difference can be 0, can be positive, can be negative. so common difference decimal भी हो सकता है, and then common difference can be irrational number. so any real number can be the common difference. now see student, what is the difference in this series? it is continuing, it is finite. last term is given, so this kind of the series in which last term is given, this is called the finite series. and this series in which last term is not given, it is continuing, so it is infinite. and this is also infinite. now student, next segment, how to identify that given sequence is in AP or not. see, in this series we'll check the common difference. We'll subtract the succeeding term and preceding term. So 1.121 minus 1.12. Let us check. 1.121 minus 1.12 means 0. So it will be 0.001. The common difference is 0.001. Now let us check the next one. 1.122 minus 1.121. So this is also 0.001. so common difference is same. this is in AP. it seems to be in AP because in under root, but 10, 15 when we solve, when we reduce the all number having the different values, and we will not get the same common difference. so this is not in AP. now see the next one, root 2, root 8, root 18 and so on, root 128. this seems to be not in AP, but let us check. reduce this root 2 will be as it is, or root 8 we can write 2 root 2, root 18 we can write 3 root 2 and so on. this 64 into 2 means 8 root 2. now see, you can check irrational number, but they can be subtract easily. 2 root 2 minus root 2, it is root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, the difference is root 2. so common difference is same, so this is in AP. तो AP में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए तो आपको इतना लाइटली नहीं लेना है, चेक करके देखना है. so these two are in AP, this is not in AP. now the very important term, general formula to find the nth term in general. this series in general, first term A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, common difference is DD. we are adding the D successively. so you can check, if this term minus this term will get the D, if this third minus second will get the D. so this is our first term A1, this is we can write second term, third term and fourth term. you can see here concentrate here, A4, A plus 3D, A3, so it is A plus 2D. in general we can say this number is less than 1, a2 a plus 1d. So it means if we write an, so we can write a plus 1 less, 4 से एक कम है तो 3, तो n से एक कम means n minus 1 in bracket d. So this is the general formula to find out the nth term of AP. Now let us find out the 17th term using this formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an means a 17th is equal to a. First term is 1000. This is a plus n minus 1 means 17 minus 1 into d. Common difference, we previously take the common difference is minus 150. So if we solve this, 1000 plus 16 into minus 150, minus 2400, so means minus 2300 or 2300. So this is the 17 terms of this AP, minus 2300. So in this way you can use the general term formula nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now student, nth term formula is very useful to check that given terms in AP or not. For example, check whether 69 or 65 is the term of this AP or not. So let us check one by one. Using the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n means nth term, let the 69 is nth term. So you can write here nth term of this AP. So in place of n we will write 69. First term means 42 हो गया plus n minus 1. So it is 69 minus 42 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 27 upon 3 is equal to n minus 1. So it is 9. N is equal to 10. See, n is equal to 10. N means terms, number of terms should be natural number. So 10 is a natural number. So it means 69 is the 10th term of this AP. So 69 is a part of this AP. Now let us check for 65. I am writing directly using this formula. 65 minus 42 and minus 1 into 3, 23, and minus 1 is equal to 23 upon 3. So n is equal to 23 upon 3 plus 1 means it is coming 26 upon 3. See, n is in the fraction. N means number of terms. That should be natural number. So this is in fraction. So 65 is not a part of this given AP. So this is a way to check the given number is a part of this AP or not. My dear student, I am trying to use the Hindi as well as English for both kinds of the medium. If any doubt you are having, to write in the comment box. बच्चों में हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम बच्चों के लिए प्रयास कर रहा हूँ समझाने का. अगर कोई भी आपको डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. चलिए नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट एन टर्म्स. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. A1, A2, A3 कोई AP इन जनरल अप टू द एन टर्म्स. अगर इनको सम करना है तो इसके लिए फार्मूला ये वाला सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The widely used formula to find the sum of given terms of AP is find the sum of this term. I have written here the example. So first let me explain this one also. This formula is used when the last term is given. See here, I have taken this question is intentionally the first term and other terms and last term. First and last term is given, then we'll use the n/2 a plus an. A first term, an is the last term, nth term, and this will be used when series in given continuation and number of terms are given. So let us use this formula first for this series. So a A is first term 42, N 10, and the common difference 3 is given. We need to find the sum of 10 terms, means S10. Using this formula, I am writing directly S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2A means 2 into 42 plus N minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into D. Common difference D is 3. (84) 9, 10 minus 1 9, 3 are 27, 555. This is a sum of 10 terms of this series. Now let us take the same question, but first term and then in between terms and last term is given. So we'll use this formula. A is 42, common difference same 3, and A and last term is 69. We are writing here N because we don't know the N. So first of all, we will find out the N number of terms using this formula. Nth term A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN means nth term is given 69, A 42 plus N minus 1, and we have to find, and D is 3. So 69 minus 42 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. So this will be divide 3 9 ja 27, N minus 1, N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Now we can use either this formula because we are having N, but we should use this formula. It will be very convenient. See, S10 is equal to 10 by 2. I am writing directly using this formula. A plus AN. A means 42. AN now, AN is 69. First we find the N using this formula, general term, then we are keeping here. So it will be 5 into this one, 111. This is also 555. Sum of the all terms of this AP. So my dear student, this was the introduction and concept of chapter 5 arithmetic progression. If you are having any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you. तो बच्चों ये था इंट्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट चैप्टर 5 अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. थैंक यू.